In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close trades that are losing only on MetaTrader 5. Navigating the MetaTrader 5 platform can be daunting if you're not familiar with its interface, especially when trying to manage trades efficiently. So let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can manage your trades effectively and minimize potential losses. First, let's start by locating the toolbox within the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can find the toolbox panel at the bottom section of your screen. It's an essential part of the interface where you can view and manage your current trades, among other things. The toolbox provides a comprehensive view of various account details and trade operations, which is key for efficient trading. Once you have located the toolbox, navigate to the trade section. This area of the toolbox displays all your open trades, including profitable and losing ones. You will notice that each trade is listed with salient details such as the symbol, volume, price, and current profit or loss. Familiarizing yourself with this interface is crucial because this is where you will initiate the process of closing any trades that are not performing well. Now, here's the part where we focus on the trades that are losing. To do this, you'll need to right-click on any of the trades listed in the trade section. Right-clicking is a simple action, but it opens up a host of options that you can utilize to manage your trades. A menu will pop up, giving you different possibilities for action. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select the option labeled Bulk Operation. The Bulk Operation feature is incredibly useful for managing multiple trades at once, especially when you need to make decisive actions such as closing non-profitable trades efficiently. It's a powerful tool within MetaTrader 5 that many traders utilize for expediting their trading actions. Now, with the Bulk Operation menu selected, you'll see various choices. The one you need to focus on is Close Losing Trades. Clicking on this option will automatically close all trades that are currently running at a loss. It's a straightforward way to cut down on further potential losses without needing to close each losing trade individually. This feature can be a real time saver, especially in a fast-moving market. As a final reminder, always ensure that your trading strategy and risk management plan support using automatic features like close losing trades. This is crucial because in trading, every decision should align with your overall financial goals and risk tolerance. Using these tools effectively requires a solid understanding of your trading plan and the implications of each action. By using this method, you can efficiently handle underperforming trades and better control your trading outcomes on MetaTrader 5. As you become more familiar with these steps, managing your trades will become second nature, helping you to trade more confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.